Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurliana binti Septiadi and my matrix number is B02181000X1 and I'm from section 3 bank S3. My study case is regarding on the Tesla coil, and what I know about the Tesla coil is it is designed by Nikola Tesla and it works with the principle of electromagnetic induction. So according to it, when the conductor is placed under a magnetic field, a small current will be induced inside the conductor. So for the Tesla coil, the conductor will be called as secondary coil, and a varying magnetic field will be produced by primary coil and by passing an oscillating current through the primary coil. So next, I will explain about how the Tesla coil is work. This is my mini Tesla coil project. From the circuit connection, let me explain how it works. Alright, the main component in this circuit is of course the secondary coil, which is made by winding an enamel copper wire around the cylindrical object. So for the cylindrical object, I'm using a PVC pipe, which is a non-conductive object. A transistor like 2N2222 is used to supply current through the primary coil, and the whole setup is powered by a 9-volt battery. I'm using a 9-volt battery energizer, and the on-off switch is connected between the positive end of the battery and the primary coil. So when switch is on, the positive end of the battery reach through the collector of the transistor through the primary coil, and emitter is grounded. That means whenever the transistor conducts, current is flow through the primary coil. So the resistor is connected to the base of transistor and positive 9-volt battery. The end of the secondary coil is also connected to the base of the transistor to make circuit oscillate. This way, the transistor will send an oscillating current into the primary coil. So, with this connection, a primary coil will have an oscillating current and will produce a carrying magnetic flux around it. This coil is wound around the secondary coil, and according to the law of electromagnetic induction, a voltage will be induced in the secondary coil. Since the number of turns in the secondary coil is very large than a primary coil, this voltage will be a very high voltage, and the coil will have a strong electric flux around it that is enough to close the CFL bulbs and is used in wireless power transmission. Alright. Unfortunately, my mini Tesla coil project is not working. Like CFL bulb does not light up when switched on. I have troubleshoot. I have checked each of the components, like change the value of resistor from 2.2 k ohms to 22 k ohms, change the wires, the battery, check the circuit connection using the multimeter, and I have changed the connection polarity of the primary coil and the number of turns of the primary coil, but still not working. I think the most important is I'm able to understand a little bit about the principle that used in this application and how it related to the electromagnetic concept. Alright, I think that's all. Thank you.